Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Marvel edits on Capcut. We'll dive straight into transforming your footage into cinematic masterpieces. First, gather your high-quality video clips and images, ideally in a 16:9 aspect ratio for a widescreen feel. Next, open Capcut and create a new project, importing all your selected media. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing workflow, ensuring all your assets are readily available for the creative process ahead. Now, let's explore Capcut's powerful features. Keyframes are essential for animating text, stickers, or even video clips, allowing precise control over movement and scale. Overlays, such as smoke or energy effects, can be blended to add a layer of visual complexity, enhancing the superhero aesthetic. Don't forget speed ramps. They are perfect for building tension before a big reveal or accelerating through less critical moments, giving your edit a professional, fast-paced rhythm. To truly capture the Marvel essence, focus on visual effects and transitions. Capcut offers a variety of effects like motion blur or shake that can simulate impact or super speed. For transitions, consider using flash or glitch to move between scenes with energy. Color grading is also vital. Adjust saturation, contrast, and brightness to give your footage a consistent, epic feel, often leaning towards cooler tones for a heroic mood or warmer tones for intense action sequences. Finally, sound design is paramount for a compelling Marvel edit. Layer sound effects like whooshes, impacts, and explosions precisely with your visuals to heighten the drama. Choose an epic, orchestral background music track that complements the action and emotional arc of your video. Before exporting, ensure your resolution is set to 1080 pixels and your frame rate to 60 frames per second for crisp, smooth playback. Your finished edit will be ready to impress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.